What if I told you there's a rule so powerful, so effective, that if you apply it today, it could transform your financial life in the next few months? And the best part, this rule was used by the greatest investor of all time, Warren Buffett. But here's the most amazing part. You don't need to be a stock market genius to apply this. Anyone, even if you're starting from zero, can put it into practice right now. Most people spend their entire lives working hard, but never get rich. They think the problem is not earning enough, but the real issue lies in how they use their money. The secret isn't about earning more, it's about multiplying what you already have. In this video, you'll discover how Buffett views money in a completely different way than most people. He follows a simple yet powerful rule that makes his money work for him all the time. But here's the warning. If you ignore this secret, you risk working hard your entire life without ever getting ahead. So stay until the end, because I'll show you exactly how anyone can apply this strategy to change their life in just a few months. This is a scene that plays out every day. People wake up early, work all day, pay bills, and wait for the next paycheck, only to see it disappear again. But why does this happen? Why do so many people never escape this endless cycle? The problem lies in what we call linear money. Most people trade their time for money, meaning they only earn when they're working. The big mistake is that this creates a limit, time. You only have 24 hours in a day. This means that even if you work more, there will always be a cap on your earnings. Now stop and think. The richest people in the world don't work more hours than you. So what do they do differently? They understand that the only way to build real wealth is through smart money. Money that works for you, even when you're doing nothing. But how does this work in practice? How can you break free from this vicious cycle and start building real wealth? In the next chapter, we'll reveal Warren Buffett's smart money rule and how you can apply it immediately to change your financial future. Now that we understand the problem, let's talk about the solution. What makes Warren Buffett different? How did he turn small amounts of money into billions? The secret lies in one single rule: your money must always work for you. Buffett never thinks of money as something to spend. He sees every dollar as a tireless worker, someone who must always be generating more money. The idea is simple. Your money needs to multiply on its own, without requiring you to work harder for it. And what's the big trick? Buffett follows three fundamental principles. 1. The power of compound interest. He reinvests everything to accelerate capital growth. Every penny invested generates more money automatically over time. 2. Buying assets, not liabilities. Buffett always focuses on acquiring assets that grow in value, like shares of great companies, and avoids spending money on things that depreciate. 3. Long-term thinking. Patience is key. He doesn't chase quick wins, but seeks investments that grow consistently over decades. Now you might be wondering, okay, but how do I apply this in my real life? In the next chapter, we'll turn these concepts into practical steps so you can start building your own fortune starting today. Now that you know the secret, let's turn it into a practical plan. It doesn't matter how much money you have now, you can start today. Here are the steps. Step 1. Set aside a portion of your income to invest. Start small, even if it's just 10% of what you earn. Step 2. Choose investments that grow over time. Stocks of good companies, index funds, and even real estate. Step 3. Reinvest the profits. Don't spend your returns. Reinvest them to speed up growth. Step 4. Be patient and consistent. Growth is slow at first but accelerates over the years. Buffett started small, but he followed this strategy without fail. If you do the same, in a few years, your money will start working for you, and financial freedom will just be a matter of time. Now you know the secret, but none of this matters if you don't take action. Buffett built his fortune because he started, persisted, and never stopped investing. Now it's your turn. Start today, even if it's just a little. Over time, your money will grow, and financial freedom will become your reality. Did you enjoy this content? Leave a like and share it with someone who needs to learn this. Want more tips? Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos. Now tell me in the comments, what will your first step be to use the smart money rule?